sit on those center crates also.
Everyone turn and wave goodbye to the people on the dock, for you will never see them again. Probably never saw them before, so it really doesn't matter. My name is Brett, and I will be your skipper, alligator wrestler, and if you don't laugh at my jokes, you're a swimming instructor. We start our adventure by heading into the Amazon River, located in South America. It's known as the Jungle Sea and has a reputation for being larger than life. As you can see, that holds true by taking a look at our giant butterflies. They can grow to be anywhere from 12 inches to a whopping 1 foot. And on your left side, we're coming up to a waterfall we like to call Inspiration Falls. Now we call it that because it inspires us to go deeper and deeper into the jungle. Okay, everyone say, ooh. Wow. That's inspiration if I've ever heard it. We're going in. We're now heading into the Congo River, located in Africa. I've arranged for a pygmy welcoming party to be up ahead. Oh no. The party looks kinda dead, and their war canoes are out. That could only mean one thing, folks. They're out hunting. And if they're out hunting, they could be hunting for us. And if they are, I hope they don't take me. If you don't mind, we're gonna stop by my camp real quick and pick up a few supplies. Oh no. Some uninvited guests. Funny thing is though, you see that Jeep right there? This morning I couldn't get it to start, but they got it to turn over. Thanks guys. We are now heading into the Nile River, the world's longest river, 4,000 miles long. Up ahead looks like an African elephant. You can tell by its large, floppy ears. It can hear up to 2 miles away. Now check this out on your right side. Speak. Louder. Now spray the people in the back. Still working on that trick, I'm sorry. And on your right side is the African Veldt, where animals like to come down to the river for a drink of water. However, there is a lesson to be learned, and that is survival of the fittest. As you can see, that zebra will not be returning home. There is another lesson to be learned in the jungle. That is survival of the fastest. I tried to warn this on-foot safari that a full-grown rhino could run as fast as a horse. They wouldn't listen, but I guess they'll get the point in the end. He's over 100 years old and sits on the beach all day long waiting for a handout. Now besides crocodiles, there are other things to be on the lookout for, such as rapids and waterfalls. Uh-oh, waterfall. Everyone lean into the right. If you don't lean, the people in the back will get wet. The people up front didn't move a muscle. Sorry guys. Uh-oh. A plane crash. That could only mean one thing. Hippos. Yeah, it's a pool of hippos. Now the only way we're gonna get through is if we stay very, very quiet. And I think we made it. Did we lose anyone? No? Okay, cool. And on your right side, you can see my last crew. They didn't laugh at my jokes either. Now they're just a bunch of boneheads. Oh no, dancing natives. Now when they do that, they tend to attack from the right side on the hill, so everyone keep an eye out. Oh no, it's an ambush. Everybody get down. Don't worry about looking stupid. I'm doing that for all of us. Looks like the only way out is under that waterfall. I hope we'll fit. And if you have a camera, I suggest you take it out now, because this is my favorite part of the tour. The backside of water. Yeah, pretty exciting. We're now entering the Mekong River, located in Southeast Asia. Up ahead looks like a Khmer temple. Almost like an earthquake or something happened. There's a new entrance. Should we go in, folks? Good, because we don't have a choice. Now, I don't know what's in there. So you guys keep your eyes open. I'm going to keep mine closed. It's okay to stare, folks. They do have their trunks on. That big one up on the left, that's old Big Shot with his own personal shower with his two little squirts down below. Uh-oh. It looks like we may get wet. If you have children, hold them up. They make great shields. You brought a friend. Let's get out of here. He's coming back up. Oh no. Ah, guess he forgot to pack his trunk. Little dry humor. So he has a new deal. 2 of his heads for the price of yours. Any takers? If you think about it, you will come out ahead. What? You're probably on the wrong side, so you want to go to the right side. As the boat comes to a complete stop, I ask you to leave the boat the way you came in by pushing and shoving the family in front of you. You laugh because it's true. Alright, have a great day in the Magic Kingdom. Goodbye.